Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manually enter the pairing mode on your Beats Flex earphones. So as you can see, in my case everything is working fine, and they are in the pairing mode automatically, but I'm going to show you how to do this manually. So first of all, you have to turn off your earphones by holding this power button until indicator disappear, and right now we can release. As you can see, they are turned off. The next step, we have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. There it is. Right now we have to release, and as you can see, we have this automatic connection, so we can just click connect. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.